Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we will explain why we had this crash for Bitcoin, we will see the next price targets, and we will make sure that we are growing together. And I want you to stay safe and do not FOMO into a panic selling or so. Okay, please do not do that. I will explain the reason. Before we begin, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. BuyMeACoffee/MindYourCrypto is the link you will find in the comment section and in the description down below. You will get profits with the automated and the manual system with buying and selling opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in technical analysis, market updates, and many more benefits. I'm going quickly into the TA because I know that you want all the information. First of all, we had some liquidation from future and leverage tradings. You can see right there that we had this crash because many positions were shorted. This means that price would go even further down. Another reason is the Omicron of the coronavirus. You can see that there is a lot of FUD in the market about are we closing again? What happens with the inflation that we have in the global economy and so on. So there is a FUD, a crisis right now again. And of course, there is the future trading that I suggest every one of you do not do futures, okay? Because you might be getting easy profits, but you can lose that in just no time. Many people got destroyed around this area getting into futures, and then they saw their portfolio going down even plus minus 70 to 80%. Okay, that's a huge amount of correction going on. All right, so therefore you can see that on Bitcoin, on the daily frame, you will see that we hold the one gun fan line back on 3rd December. Now we lost it. I have squared the chart from this bottom on 20 July back to this top on 10 November for Bitcoin, and we found out that this is the one gun fan line. We lost the support level. Now, does this look like bearish? Should we actually be anxious about the recent price action? Are we getting all the way down? What I think about that is no, and I will explain why very soon. And I want you not to sell panic. Okay, if you want anything and you are really anxious and you want to see you want to ask some questions, you can join our Telegram group chat. We discuss everything right there, and of course you can post whatever you want. All right, but anyway, I want you to be safe and happy and forget about this day. We will see though that we are going into an extreme oversold on the daily frame. The RSI is now below the 30. If we were around here, for example, for the RSI, and we had this drop, I would tell you that things look grim, things do not look good. But right now, I think that things are looking good, and I will explain why. Because we had this crash right there, we are now into an oversold situation, extreme oversold. As you are seeing, commodity channel index has gone even to minus 320. All right, so therefore, yes, we can correct a little bit more. However, we are into this area where you want to buy. All right, do not miss this opportunity, do not miss this chance. Even if we go a little bit further down into the 45k, which is very possible, you know, in the next day, for example Sunday, we might be getting a little bit further down, or we might be getting we might be losing some support levels right here. But I think at the end of the day, we are going to have a huge buying pressure. The fact that we had a buying pressure at the 42 to 43,000 USD was pretty cool, and it happened mainly due to the fact that we had future short tradings liquidated. And of course, right now we are seeing the crash minus 12% already on this day, which is a huge crash, okay? Because many altcoins are bleeding, but not Ethereum. Ethereum is managing to stay very healthy, only minus 7%. In the last 2 days we had minus 12%, but according to the price action of Bitcoin, we should be going down more. So what happened with Ethereum? The reason is Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Okay, you need to look everything against Bitcoin. All your altcoins that you are trading with, look them against Bitcoin. You will see that Ethereum against Bitcoin is in an impulsive wave on the daily frame, okay? And we can go even higher, especially if we break the 1.236, the 0.210, actually 84,187. This is the previous high back into the 18 May 2018. You can see that around there we have almost reached these highs for Ethereum. Okay, and Ethereum is looking strong mainly due to the fact that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. That's why you saw this huge buying pressure back from 3,500 till now. All right. So therefore, you can see that right now Bitcoin corrected so much, but Ethereum stayed very, very strong. What are the next price targets right now for Bitcoin? What should you be targeting? Because I think that it is over for the ones that thought that Bitcoin is going to 150k, 100k by the end of the year. I think that this is far from over, okay, but the 73k or the 80k is still in play, okay, and we might have a huge buying pressure pretty soon, and we are going up there. What does this mean for your portfolio? It means that if you buy around here, let's say we have a huge buying pressure, we can get like 50%, okay? So no matter what, you need now to reaccumulate. This is a good time to reaccumulate once we are now below the 30, okay? On the other hand though, in the weekly frame, we lost the higher low, higher high pattern. I think that we should be keeping this, okay, and we lost it. All right, so therefore we had this higher low, higher high, we had the crash right now, and of course we just lost this. We need to see on the weekly frame, where are we going? We are now, do not have actually an oversold situation we had back on the 21st, actually 14 June around there. We had an extreme overbought on the 11 October. Here we just went a little bit further down before we have this major crash. Now we found almost a buying pressure on the 50-day MA. You can see that, or the 2-1 gun fan line if you want to. But anyway, I think that now what you should be doing is not to sell, not to look at your portfolio, because if you keep checking, you will panic. And of course, then after you will sell, you want to avoid that. You want to avoid selling, someone else will buy your fear, okay? And of course, we have an extreme fear right now. The crypto market, everything is going down, and as we think right now, and as we have this buying pressure on the 42k and on the 43k, I think that this was a good sign. This was a good sign that Bitcoin can go even higher, potentially finding a little bit after in the next days buying pressure and get even higher for altcoins. This will mean that they can go even higher, and of course they will have a swing high of relief, maybe plus 20% for some altcoins, not for every altcoin right there, because we have some altcoins which are still in an extreme overbought, like Gala or Sun, for example, and so on, okay? But for altcoins that are already bleeding from the previous days, then I think that the time is coming. Please do not panic, do not FOMO, sell, and if you want to seek help, join the Mind Your Crypto Grow Together Telegram group chat. And if you want to seek financial help more, with more benefits, you can join our monthly subscription, buymeacoffee/mindyourcrypto. In these hard days, you can do whatever you want. We have a free group. We have also the group that gives you more benefits. You give a monthly fee. If you want, you can cancel anytime you like if you do not like that, and you can choose whatever is the best plan for you. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.